So where are mortgage interest rates really going to be between now and the end of the year? Quite honestly, your guess is as good as mine. But here's the thing. According to the latest forecast, it's looking like we could end the year pretty close to where we are right now. And while rates have come down over these last few weeks, which has in fact triggered an uptick in activity, we still have a little ways to go to get closer to that 6% range, which is what we all project would really unlock this market. As you can see, the latest projections show mortgage interest rates are expected to hold fairly steady into the next year. Considering the kind of roller coaster years we've been through recently, this kind of stability isn't a bad thing. In fact, many first-time home buyers and homeowners alike have already begun to recalibrate their expectations on an acceptable range of interest rate. According to surveys, at the beginning of the year, 60% of homeowners said they wouldn't even consider making a move unless they were able to get an interest rate below 6%. As of today, in the third quarter, we're already seeing more than half starting to open their mind to a rate at or just above 6%. Even these mild adjustments into the middle 6% range is now received with positive sentiments of opportunity and good timing. In my eyes, what's important to know is that while I can't tell you when we're going to see 6% or sub 6% interest rates, I do feel strongly about what we will see when we get there. And that's going to be a wildly frenzied market again. It will begin with buyers, but then quickly we'll see the return of sellers ready to make a move they thought might not happen. We have several million first-time home buyers and existing homeowners who have contemplated but stayed on the sidelines each of these last 3 years. My strong advice is that even if you have the very slightest degree of interest in making a move, decide today at what interest rate puts you back onto the field. Then start to make your plan accordingly, because if you wait until we get there, you're likely to be going into that market behind several million others who have been thinking exactly the same thing. And then we could experience a market that resembles much more closely to 2021 than 2025. I'm not saying this is the time that you have to make a move. I'm simply saying start with a plan. Move when the market makes sense to you, but having a plan is just simply going to be smarter.